few words about the fellowship.
Good morning, sir. So, as we are continuing this fellowship program in medical retina in India, I thank you, Dr. Subal sir, Dr. Dija, Dr. Himanshu ma'am, who has sir has come from Udaipur, ma'am from Kerala, Hyderabad, as told by sir. And I would just request Dr. Subal sir and Dr. Dija Himanshu to just give a brief introduction of themselves, sir.
Like to thank Suresh Pandey sir, Nipun sir and Gupta sir for this opportunity for working at this such a prestigious hospital, and I hope I will learn a lot, and I'm really feeling excited to work here. And I did my MBBS from SN Medical College Jodhpur, and then MS from R&D Medical College Udaipur, and then I did my Fellow Fellowship from Shankar Nethralaya. Worked for some time in Global Hospital, Abu, and after that I am working at Tara Nethralaya Udaipur since 2012. Now I am at Surya Hospital. I am presently in the ROS executive also. Thank you, Suresh Pandey sir.
Suresh Pandey sir, Nipun sir, and Dr. sir for the wonderful opportunity. I hope I learn and learn a lot from the institute. I did my MBBS in Kerala as a medical college in 2001. Then I did my PGMS in Bangalore, RRMCH college, and then I did my long-term fellowship in the year of 2023. Finished in March. Then I heard about this institute a lot, and I look forward to learning a lot and work here. Very excited. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dr. Dija. Dr. Himanshu, just a brief.
Good morning, everyone. I would like to congratulate the for this opportunity. I completed my MBBS from Karnataka. I did my PG in Chennai, and I recently completed it like 4 months back. I'm actually kind of a fresher, but I'm also excited to learn here and learn maybe the very first year.
So just 2 hours into this fellowship, and they've already seen 3-4 interesting cases. That's very nice. And so we did an indirect diabetic capital of the world. So we will see many cases of diabetic retinopathy. And today also we have band retinal photocoagulation lasers lined up for PDR cases. And not only that, hypertensive retinopathy, vein occlusions, vein occlusion with macular edema. And we have patients of wet age-related macular degeneration. Interpret the OCT and how to read the OCT, what counsel the OCT patients regarding the number of injections and the prognosis. Yesterday we will study about the OCT interpretation of the diseases of inherited retinal dystrophies such as macular dystrophy, Stargardt, West dystrophy, and various other macular dystrophies, and also the rod bone and cone rod dystrophies. Regarding neuro-ophthalm, we will see cases of optic neuritis, one fresh case and one recurrent case of optic neuritis. One recurrent, we will see cases of thickness, macular hole, retinal detachment, thick macular purpura that we are and non-resolving vitreous severe. We will see and we'll do the relevant investigation, OCT and E-scan, and regarding the prognosis, we will counsel them as well. And not the uveitis, regarding the uvea clinic, we will see the cases of active non-granulomatous and granulomatous uveitis, and they will investigate according to tailor-based investigations based on case-to-case verification. For regarding posterior uveitis, we have seen cases of toxoplasma. One case of suspected toxoplasma, so we will Dr. Himanshu rightly revealed the history that she has a history of playing with cats, so contacted cats 3 years back. So we are suspecting toxoplasmosis, and we did a relevant, we sent for the relevant blood tests. And this was an interesting case of subcutaneous like choroiditis. And we are blessed to have Octavio OCT, in which we do OCT interpretation of various diseases, diabetic macular edema, CSR, wet age-related macular degeneration, and macular edema due to various causes, vein occlusion, wet AMD, diabetes, and even intermediate uveitis. And these things regarding V-scan interpretation, in cases of azygria, we will do a V-scan to differentiate posterior vitreous detachment from retical detachment. Many cases of retinoschisis also comes, cases of vitritis, vitreous hemorrhage, and how to diagnose. All these cases we will see and interpret, diagnose, and manage. Regarding the hands-on training, you will have hands-on training on multiple intraocular injections, including Vivasep, Aflibercept, and steroid injections, and implant such as Triamcinolone and Ozurdex, and even the posterior subcutaneous injections. So this was one of our fellow Dr. Gagan was performing intraocular injections under the supervision. This is just a brief video regarding that. So how to give intraocular injections, so under the supervision, and then after that independently he gave many injections. This was the story of all other fellows as well. And regarding the laser, we will do the slit lamp laser photopopulation by the single spot as well as the multi-spot, and by the indirect ophthalmoscopy as well. So these are the fellows doing laser photopopulation on slit lamp as well as on LIO. We have a case presentation in this very hall, and maybe once or twice a week we have case presentations and journal clubs, and we'll do some publications as well. Last month we have already the process of publication of two interesting case reports. One was provided metastasis secondary to breast carcinoma, and another was post-biopsy peritonitis. We will be publishing those cases. We are just in the process of writing and modifying those cases. And in the last, we will also maintain a logbook regarding the interesting cases and the number of procedures to be done. So as for your further 30 fellows, so we are still in touch with the WhatsApp group, and we discuss interesting things. Please go through them, and they have a very interesting points for the medical retina and uvea. And not only that, I am in the process of under the inspiration of Dr. Suresh Pandey sir, have written some two motivational books also. One is the Doctor's Time Practical Guide to Focus and Efficiency, like how a doctor who is very busy can take out the time and be efficient in managing the day-to-day activities and maintain the professional and the personal work-life balance. And this is another book, The Retina Emergency. This is the latest book, what to do in the first 24 hours. First 24 hours critical in cases of central retinal artery occlusion, retinal detachment, CRVO. So these books, what steps to be followed are written in this book, in this 100-page clinical handbook. And this is another book of uveal coloboma related retinal disorders. And this is the recent welcome to Subhash Gupta sir, glaucoma consultant. And this is another comfort zone से हम बाहर निकल के एक नई स्किल डेवलप करें. And we had an opportunity on EIS to release that book. Thank you to Dr. Suresh Pandey sir, Sridhar ma'am, Dr. Leslie Gupta sir, and Dr. Abhishek Gupta. Bharatiya Vidyapith University, Sankarai Foundation, Urban Library System, and Shankar Netralaya. And last but not the least, thank you to the team CBI Hospital. आप लोगों के सपोर्ट के बिना ये फेलोशिप पॉसिबल नहीं होती. आपके लिए जितना भी थैंक यू बोलो वो कम है, शब्द कम पड़ जाता है. थैंक यू.
In life,
if you want to excel, you have to do two most important things. First, never ever wait for the perfect moment. Perfect moment is a myth. लाइफ में कभी भी हर चीज परफेक्ट नहीं होती है. परफेक्ट मोमेंट का वेट करोगे तो वेट भी करते रह जाओगे. दिस इज वन थिंग. द सेकंड थिंग दैट इफ यू वांट टू डू वेल इन लाइफ you have to come out from comfort zone. Comfort zone is the most dangerous address in this world. If you want to stay in the comfort zone, then you cannot do things. For example, Dr. Dija, Dr. Hamija, and Dr. Subodh Saraf are very hot weather. So this is example. That's why they are here. Because they like the comfort zone. They want to learn something. We want to learn something from them also. Learning is always a two-way process. Yesterday I was talking to Dr. Subodh Saraf. He has done a lot of work in the field of optimization and polyvalent surgery. So he is working since last many years. So Dr. Subodh Saraf told me, I want to invite Dr. Subodh Saraf, tell something about Dr. Kailash Manov sir. What he told me yesterday.
डॉक्टर कैलाश मानव सर के बारे में जितना कहा जाए उतना कम है. मानवता के लिए उन्होंने जितना खुले मन से काम किया है और एक मुट्ठी आटा से शुरुआत करके उन्होंने इतने कार्यक्रम चालू किए गरीब लोगों के लिए, पोलियोग्रस्त लोगों के लिए, और उसी चीज को उनकी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन भी जो है आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. जो कि हमारे हॉस्पिटल की जो अंडर द गाइडेंस ऑफ कैलाश मानव सर, अब उनकी डॉटर कल्पना गोयल मैम और उनके साथ में दिपेश मिश्र सर, उन्होंने तारा नेत्रालय की शुरुआत की. फर्स्ट हॉस्पिटल वाज इन उदयपुर and then they started hospital in Delhi, Bombay, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, and at present these all hospitals are running successfully and helping out the poor people. Along with that, वहाँ पे मैम जो है वृद्धाश्रम रन करती हैं. There are 4 old age homes in Udaipur that is run by our institution, as well as a lot of other activities are being done. This is the brief about the place that I am working.
Thank you so much. और एक चीज थोड़ा तालियां. एक चीज सर ने मुझे बताई थी, वो ये बताई थी बाकी कोई कि आप यदि उनसे मिलेंगे तो you will be impressed, not by his knowledge, not by his wisdom, but by his compassion. उनकी compassion जो है वो जबरदस्त है. और जितने भी ग्रेट लोग वर्ल्ड में होते हैं, सबसे बड़ी क्वालिटी उनकी यही होती है. हम लोग ज़्यादातर लोग कंप्लेन करते रहते हैं कि ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये नहीं, यहाँ से पेटी खराब हो गया, सिर दर्द हो रहा है. आधे से ज़्यादा लोग मैसेज डालते रहते हैं नॉट फीलिंग वेल. कैलाश मानव सर के बारे में आपने सुना होगा. व्हेन ही वाज वेरी यंग, ही वाज ट्रैवलिंग बाय द ट्रेन and because of this injury by the burning coal particle, he lost one eye. And his another eye was lost due to unfortunate complication of the surgery, which can happen anywhere in the world. No best institute in the world. Now he cannot see from both eyes. अगर हमारे से कोई दूसरा आदमी होता है तो वो रिटायरमेंट ले लेता है, यार बैठो आराम से, जिंदगी में क्या रखा है, दोनों आपको दिखता ही नहीं. But still he is working. Still he is on the stage. You will see him on the stage, using with dark glasses. Sir, am I correct? And still he is not retired. वो भी काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि जो डिजायर होती है, बर्निंग डिजायर, पैशन होता है, वो अंदर से आता है. Now today is International Harry Potter Day. So I want to tell you some story about the Harry Potter. When you understand Hindi? Yes, little bit, not much. Okay. So आज इंटरनेशनल हैरी पॉटर दिवस है or if I want to ask you, any one of you, who is the author of the Harry Potter world voice novel? क्या नाम है ऑथर का? हैरी पॉटर किसने लिखी है? कोई आपको अगर बताएगा? Who is the author of Harry Potter? आपको बताना चाहिए। आपने वाला ऑथर में कितना अच्छा आपने सारे प्राइज जीते थे। बियॉन्ड ऑथर पर क्या वाला आपने अपने रिजल्ट थोड़ी है आपके इंस्पायरिंग है। आज मैं शेयर कर देता हूँ। J.K. Rowling was born in Britain और उनकी मदर को मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस था। Her mother was suffering from multiple sclerosis. कोर्स behind fellowship और ये fellowship की जर्नी डॉक्टर निपुण की ये बिना अधूरी है। Thank you so much, Dr. Nipun sir, for inspiring so many fellows. Now I would like to invite Roshni ji to welcome Dr. Dija ma'am, who came from Kerala, and welcome Dr. Dija ma'am. And I would like to invite Asra ji. Welcome ma'am, welcome. बहुत बहुत तालियों के साथ स्वागत है आपका।
Once again, welcome Dr. Subodh Salar sir, Dr. Teacher, Dr. Himanshu, and the books which I have me and sir have written. One of the book is The Productive Discomfort. कि जैसा कि हमने बोला कि हम अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलकर हम निरंतर प्रयास करते रहें और हर एक दिन एक जैसा नहीं जाता। हमको जीत भी मिलेगी, हार भी मिलेगी, कुछ जीत बाकी है, कुछ हार बाकी है, तो पर हमको कोशिश नहीं छोड़नी। कोशिश करने वालों की जैसा बोला था, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होगी। हमको निरंतर डेली बिना किसी एक्सपेक्टेशन के काम करते रहना है, निरंतर अच्छा काम करते रहना है ताकि पेशेंट को भी बेनिफिट हो और अपने ऑटो पायलट में रूटीन जिंदगी से निकलकर कंफर्ट जोन को छोड़कर एक थोड़ा सा एक्स्ट्रा माइल लेवल पर चलना है ताकि हम अच्छी एफिशिएंसी और अच्छा चीज़ बेनिफिट करें और स्ट्राइव फॉर एक्सेलेंस। अगर एक्सेलेंस के लिए स्ट्राइव करेंगे तो सक्सेस झक मार के हमारे पीछे है। तो ये चीज़ें हैं कि अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकलिए, अपनी डेली रूटीन को आप छोड़ के आप अपना कुछ काम ऐसा करिए कि जिससे आपके स्किल लेवल बढ़े और आपको सक्सेस हासिल हो। थैंक यू।